Guys, God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail. First off, Merry Christmas. Today is December the 24th. So Merry Christmas to you and your family. And I wish you many blessings for this year to end and for next year as well. So today's video is going to be very quick. It's going to be probably a 5-minute video or less. But it's about what I use when I detail cars. So this mixture here has saved me so much time. As well as if you're having issues with having dry plastics after you clean them with your APC, try this method out and hopefully this helps. I have given this mixture to many people and I've gotten great feedback, so hopefully this helps you. So let's get started. What you're going to be needing is usually a 32-ounce bottle or any bottle that you prefer, to be honest. Just whatever you prefer. So we're going to fill it up, so let's go ahead and fill it up. Fill it up with water. Pretty much I'll fill it up all the way to like the middle. Add a little bit more. That should be good right there. And then some super clean, dilute about 10-to-1. I usually start high because once I mix the Dawn dish soap into it, it literally becomes a pretty quick cleaner. So you don't need a lot of super clean, just a little bit. Alright, but if you feel like the plastics are pretty dirty, then add a little bit of more super clean for that extra cutting power. Alright, and here goes the kicker. What you're gonna need is Dawn dish soap. I like this one because my favorite color is orange, but it has 2 times more the cleaning power, so this works. Alright, so what you're gonna need is about 8 drops, so bear with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, that's 8 drops in there. All I do is shake it up and you are set. Alright, what is this mixture gonna do for you? It stops that the dryness on the doors, on your leather. Very gentle on your plastics, your leather, and it just leaves that good clean feel. The Dawn dish soap creates suds. Even when after you wipe it, it doesn't leave you that buildup as to a lot of chemicals do. If you add too much Dawn, it creates a problem. So you want to just have it very little. The 8 drops is more than enough. And as you see, hopefully you guys can see on camera, once you spray it, it's very sudsy, right? Hopefully you guys are able to see that. But it's a very great product. Hopefully you guys give me a shot at this. Let me know if you guys try it. Let me know how it worked for you. Like I said, some stuff works for some of us, some stuff may not work for all of us, but if this definitely worked for you, inbox me and let me know how you liked it. Again, this was a super clean 10-to-1 with 8 drops of Dawn dish soap. You can use distilled water or even tap water, whatever works for you. So again, I thank you for the opportunity, guys. Hopefully this video shows you a little bit of a mixture that can help you with your plastics or your leather. Again, thank you guys and God bless you.